now that we've already installed Visual Studio Code and Node.js, as we can see, we've already checked for the version. I'm currently using version 18. We can install VS extensions. What are extensions? Extensions are just basically plugins that assist us to do some things easily and in a fast manner. So to install an extension, you just go to the last icon here, as you can see, and you search for the extension. The extension we're going to put to use is this one called Live Server. I already have it installed, that's why it's not showing me the install button here. It's just showing me disable and install. It's by Retweak Day, and the purpose of the Live Server extension is to allow you to access folders and files, let's say HTML files, easily through the browser. To show you an example, I'm going to create a file here. So here, then let's say create. So under file, I'll say new file, and let's just say index.html. HTML as an example. But actually, what we can do is create file, probably open a folder. Just to move faster, I'm going to put it on the desktop and say, okay, we have a folder called Tailwind CSS, new folder, HTML files. You can put this anywhere if you're following through with this tutorial. Then you can just follow through with it. Yes, I trust the authors. Then click. Let's say you have a file called index.html. HTML, sorry guys. Here is where the English HTML extension, and let's just say have a button. Let's say this is a button. Purpose of me doing this is to show you what it means having this live server type of extension. If I go down here and see the go live button, or right click it and just say open live server, click on it, wait a second, and you see it takes us directly to the browser. Now this is one of the advantages. The real advantage is, you see right now it says this is a button. If I come here and say this is a changed button and I save it, if I go back to the browser, it's already effected. So that's the importance of having this extension called the live server. We're just going to use this one type of extension. I wish we could have more, but that's how simple this tutorial series is going to be. I didn't want to bombard you with a lot of extensions that we probably might not use or will use in a very limited manner. That's it. See you in the next tutorial, where we are going to start installing or setting up Tailwind CSS. Bye bye.